Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your device is updated and your Apple ID is active. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is working. Next, open the Mail app and choose Add Account. Pick iCloud, Google, or other when needed. Enter your email and password, then allow permissions for contacts and calendars if prompted. Make sure Mail is toggled on. This registers the account and begins initial sync, so wait for messages to populate before proceeding to organization. Once your messages appear, customize how Mail behaves. Open settings for swipe actions, fetch versus push intervals, and notification styles so you only get alerts that matter. Then create mailboxes and smart mailboxes to group messages, add VIPs for priority senders, and set account-specific signatures. If you need finer control, go into Advanced Settings to verify a map path, server ports, and SSL. This fixes sync glitches. Make changes one at a time, and check that each update syncs across your devices. You finish by sending and receiving test emails to confirm outgoing and incoming flow, including attachments and calendar invites if linked. Then enable mailbox syncing and ensure backups, Time Machine or iCloud, are running so you can recover messages. If something goes wrong, rebuild the mailbox first. If that fails, remove and re-add the account, then verify SMTP/IMAP ports and SSL. This sequence clears most problems. If not, restart the device and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.